the Honorable Estelle B. Richman, former Secretary, Department of Public Welfare, Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. Throughout her accomplished public service career, including 7 years at the helm of Pennsylvania's Department of Public Welfare, Secretary Estelle Richman has always been a longtime supporter of low-income Pennsylvanians and Pennsylvania's legal aid community. She has led DPW during one of the most challenging periods in modern history. Challenging economic times and the recession created a surge in demand for services from families and individuals at a time when public dollars became scarce. Yet, Estelle Richman improved the quality and responsiveness of DPW programs while still managing the department with heightened efficiency. All the while, Secretary Richman's door was always open to consumers and advocates alike.
She is a person that cares and that is compassionate about what she does for low-income individuals. And I think and I know in my heart that wherever she's at, that she will continue to have the client interest at heart. And legal services has always been a part of her mission, is to make sure that clients had an avenue where to turn to.
Estelle's career and her tenure as Secretary of Welfare has been marked by a passion for providing the best services within the limited means that are often given to the welfare department. I think Estelle recognized that most low-income women want to work, and that that everything should be done to make it easier for them to work rather than try to micromanage what they were doing and look for places where perhaps they've fallen down on the road towards self-sufficiency. Estelle has long been a national leader in the area of providing services to disabled children. Most recently, she worked with people in the legislature, particularly Representative Denny O'Brien, to make Pennsylvania a pioneer in the area of providing services to children with autism. And there is now a Bureau of Autism in the Welfare Department as a result of their efforts.
She was able to ensure that Health and Human Services programs maintained their quality and served more people, served more tens and thousands of more Pennsylvanians that needed to rely on those programs, but also made the tough choices to say we need to look for ways to work within our means. Secretary Richman reduced reliance on institutional care. She closed Mayview Hospital and Harrisburg State Hospital, but she closed them with compassion. She was concerned about those that were in those institutions, and it wasn't just closing and saying you're out. She closed them and demanded that there be appropriate home and community-based services for that population.
I'd like to thank Estelle for being one of the most wonderful secretaries of DPW that we've seen in Pennsylvania. She brought a tremendous level of care and concern for the people that are served by legal services and served by the Department of Public Welfare, and brought her intelligence, commitment, drive, and compassion to the department, and made a tremendous difference over the years she was there. She embodied passion for the work she did, and we're forever grateful and indebted for all she did for the people in Pennsylvania.
In appreciation and gratitude, the Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network is honored to recognize Estelle Richman.